Now that we have our add-on ready for making it public, we need to go through two verification process. The first one is one in the Google OAuth platform where we are going to request the scopes that our app needs. Here I am in the Google OAuth platform overview, and the first step is into branding. We need here to fill all our details here. One important thing is that I already know for previous experiences is that I have here my notes. Here branding. One thing that is important is that, for example, if we use any of the trademark from Google, we need to add this character to the name. So for example, my app will be called docs to PDF, so I need to put the trademark on the top right of the Word docs, like that. If I go without that, then they will reject it. My email, the app logo. Okay, the for the logo we need one thing that is very important for the app name. This app name in the OAuth, it should match whatever name we are going to put in our marketplace listing. So those two should be the same, exactly the same. If not, they're going to reject it. Okay, the logo. Let's create a logo very quickly in Canva. Let's create new logo. Let me personalize it. Okay, now we have our logo. Let's go back here. Browse this one. Okay, looks good. Application homepage, HTTPS. That will be here. Privacy policy. This one. It's important that the privacy policy complies with certain rules. It shouldn't be generic. So I'm going to. I have a list of all the things that I believe they are important to have there in the privacy policy and in the terms of service. And I'm going to make that public in in a blog post here in Ship Add-on. So I will link that into this video. So privacy and then terms of service. Those two. Authorized domains, shi- shipaddons.com, and a little bit information. Okay, perfect. Audience in for audience. Okay, those two. One thing that we need to do is check our scopes. So I'm going to check if all these scopes are correct. Let me go to my add-on here. So we have OpenID, script container UI, OpenID here, script container UI. Yes. User info, email and profile. User info, email and profile. External request here. Drive file here, and the last one documents read only. Documents read only. Okay, we are good. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. Perfect. No restricted scope. One thing that worth noticing here is that if you have any restricted scope, most probably you need to go through a CASA assessment. That will cost you money yearly. So I will try to avoid having any restricted scope as much as possible. Okay, verification center, and here we need to publish app. Push to production, confirm. Your app requires verification. When you have finished configuration information, please submit your app for review. Go to verification center. Your branding is not being shown to users. You can review details. Yep, data access is not verified. Verification requirement. Okay, view branding, verify branding. This is an automated step they are running. Branding is not being shown to users, resolve the issues. So it doesn't match the app name in your homepage. Uh-huh. Okay. So probably what I need to do, okay, let me do this. Cancel. Homepage. Homepage. So here. So what I could do is I could create a page exclusively for the add-on. So let me do that. Actually, I have under add-ons, docs to PDF. Yes, this one is not finished. Yes, because I still need to fulfill all the screenshots of that stuff. But let's see if with this it works. Save, and issues have fixed. Proceed. Let's see if that works. Yes, it's not being used. Publish it before. Okay. Publish branding. Perfect. Verification center. Okay, branding is verified. Prepare for verification. Branding summary, app logo. Privacy, blah blah blah. Using the following fields. We verify. Using the following fields for one month. Okay. Uh-huh. Fix the issue. So I need to upload a video. Ah, the justification. Okay. Demo video. Okay. I'm going to record this video and then I will continue with the trigger of the verification. Perfect. I already recorded the video for the verification, the demo video, justifying the sensitive scopes, and also wrote the written justification. So here I have the video, and I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to also link this video into the video I'm recording, so you can guys take a look and see how I say in that video. Now I go back to the education page. The YouTube link is this one, and the written justification, I structured it in this way. I'm putting the scope and why that scope is required, up to 1,000 characters. Also, something interesting is that here it says what the YouTube video needs to demonstrate. So ensure that you take a look at this place to see exactly what you need to talk about in the video. And I'm going to save. Perfect. Go to verification center, prepare to verification, docs to PDF. This is okay. These are the scope that I need to verify. This is my sensitive scope certification and the video. Share any final detail about your app, include any information that will help us with verification, like test user credential, the project ID, of any other project that use auth. Uh, no, because anybody will be able to use it, so there isn't any special information. So yeah, I would say that there there is a free tier with like that. Confirm. Is your application for personal use only? No, because I want to make it public. Is your application for internal use only? No. Is your application for development testing stage? No. I'm going to make it productive. Is your application achieving SMTP plugin for its own? No. Please acknowledge the following. I acknowledge that I have read the verification requirement for submission. Application meets all requirements. I understood that if I'm requesting restricted scope, I'm required to complete the CASA. That's what I talked about a little bit earlier. Yes, we don't have any restricted scope. So I acknowledge this. And just I'm paying verification result. Submit verification. Okay, perfect, guys. So this was submitted. I will cut the video here, and I will continue as soon as I have any response from them. But you are going to see this jump like right away. Okay, we finally got our OAuth approved. Here you can see the sensitive scopes. And one thing that I had to change is there was an extra script, the document read only. It wasn't necessary for my use case. So the Google OAuth team requested me to refactor a little bit my add-on logic in order to do not use that scope that was unnecessary, and instead use the drive file that is non-sensitive and doesn't require verification. So here I can share with you all the chat with the Google OAuth team. The first issue that I had was that I wrongly submitted the video. So I basically submitted a wrong video. So these guys asked me for a right video. I replied my apologies. Basically, every review that they were taking was like once a day. So if you receive an update for the team by, early in the morning, you can reply by the afternoon, and on another day, most probably you are going to have news from them as well. So it's something worth like keeping track of the replies and to move the process faster. So then the Google team replied that the app functionality that utilize replies with this. Yes, so asking for a link to a video showing the workflow. So basically, what happened is that the video wasn't that clear, so I had to record once again. I recorded here, and now these guys told me about the document read only. Yes, those they what they are saying is that they suspect that that's not necessary. So if I could refactor my add-on to do not use that scope, basically, I review all this thing that they told me, and it says here. Well, they actually give you clues what you need to do. So, for example, you see here. So why should I use this scope? Yes, uh, etc. etc. You can read depending on your use case. Yes, but basically here they gave me options. Option one: if your app will work with recommended scopes, do the following: add a recommended scope, blah blah blah. Option two: if the recommended scope will not work with your app, reply to this email. So I investigate the proposal, and yes, they were right. So I just confirm the narrow scopes. I deploy a new add-on, a new version, and blah blah. And after that, yes, they I forgot that will need to re-record the video and update that. So well, they are saying about that, yes, about the inaccurate of the video, blah blah. So I record a new one, and finally with that, I think that they approve, basically. Yes, so now from this moment on we have approved. So let's review what they approve. They approve these two sensitive scopes: the script container UI and the script external request. And so that's it. Now doing the marketplace listing approval review, and I had a couple of issues with them that I'm going back and forward. And one of the things I had to do is I had to remove the s and the trademark here from the name. That's so that's because this app name and the marketplace app needs to be the same name, and but the marketplace team doesn't like me to use the docs here, so I had to remove it from both places. But that's for the next video. So I'm wrapping this video here. We have the OAuth verified, and that's the process how I achieve it. So if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comments, and I will publish the marketplace video once I can have that approved. Bye.